normal diet ng isang island girl?
Normal diet, 5 cups of rice. This is Shuvette Rata and I'm ready for my close-up.
Did you ever imagine your life turning out this way?
I never imagined, but however, I was always hopeful and faithful for greater things coming my way. Pinaka-part ako nangyari siguro, siguro pinaka-proud ako sa pangkat ko na nabuo, sa pangkat Shuvie na nabuo ko po. I'm just really proud to have this kind of family sa showbiz po. And I'm really glad na sila yung core ko.
What's one question na ayaw mo tinatanong sa'yo during an interview?
Kung pagod ka na ba? Questioning that kasi it's like them waiting for me to be tired or get tired of this industry. Because, of course, I'm gonna get tired, but I'll never give up. So, yun lang, nakakainis na siguro marinig paulit-ulit.
Can you describe Shuvie in one word?
Shuvie is authentic.
Tanong mo sa akin kung sino aking mahal. Tanong mo sa akin, sagot ko'y di magtatagal.